Hey everybody, Charlie Wills here with the Charlie Wills team. All right, we're starting with our spring cleaning inventory, and one that's not known, a really smelly version. You take white vinegar, heat it up for, I did 2 cups for about 2 minutes, just enough to get it hot enough. You don't want to boil it, but because you're gonna put it in a plastic bag. But what you do is you put it over the top of your any plumbing fixture that has some calcium or any kind of that hard water growth. It'll eat it away, so I'll show you here. Come into our shower. So what you do is you take it over a device like this. I don't have rubber bands with me right now, but if you can see what that does, the interaction with that white vinegar with the calcium, you don't need toxic chemicals. You just need a little white vinegar that's heated up. So you just do that for a little bit, you'll heat it. If you want a really cool solution, you take a big rubber band and you can just snap it over and you can leave for a few minutes, go do a couple other chores, and then come back to that and then take this off. So when I come pull this off, as you'll see here in just a minute, that completely clears up the shower head. As you can see, there's no more calcium on a lot of those pieces, especially these 2 middle ones that have had the biggest amount that has eaten in it. But if that sits for a few more minutes on these, that'll completely clear these heads up as well. Little tip here for spring cleaning, for doing especially your shower heads or fixtures.